Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do a reading for Nature Speaks 333. I am here with Dalmar, or Dalmar, D-A-L, Dalmar. Okay, and we're going to get a message from Dalmar for humanity. Let's see what he has to say. Give me one moment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right down below there. Also, I do appreciate it, guys. And comment, let me know if this resonates. Hello. What's your message? A turning point. A turning point is approaching for many of you. Huh? To go left or to go right. It is and always will be your choice. These turning points that are approaching will approach quick. Some of you have already been approached with these turning points. As quickly as they arrive, they will escape even quicker. So be prepared to make quick and fast decisions that will alter your lives and your trajectory. The earth is changing. Humans are changing. You are preparing for alignment with the whole. Aside from others' feelings about your life, your direction, you must go inward to seek advice, to seek guidance, to seek knowledge. Do not allow the quickness to place you in fear. This quickness is purposeful. How well do you know thyself? Initial reactions to choices that will be placed in front of you will be your intuition screaming. This is for you to realize and trust it. This is your higher self. This is your knowing. By trusting this knowing, by trusting this initial reaction, this will give you confidence in yourself, confidence in future decisions. Do not place yourself in harm's way of others who may not see the future as you do. There are stumbling blocks that may also cross your path along the way. Know that you can and will get through these. Again, we stress the belief in oneself, the belief in that you already know. You already hold this awareness of the timeline you are desiring. So trust in the next steps you are about to make and be at one with this. Embody these decisions with confidence and a knowing that where you are about to go is destined for you. Is that it? Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, I hope this resonated. I hope it made sense. Please drop a like below, share and subscribe if you already haven't. If you're interested in a personal reading, that way this is more specific to you and your questions. Information for a tarot reading is in the description box below to my Etsy shop. And visit my other page, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot. If you're interested in daily tarot readings for free. You have a good one, and as always, stay connected to your heart and with love. Namaste.